Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. About to head over to the shop to get the truck ready for the pulls in Goshen this weekend, and we got some new parts to show off. So after we broke in Fonda, we took a step back and we looked at the ratios of the truck, and then we looked at the mile per hours of our tires. Our front end, I believe, was spinning too fast. It was doing too much of the work, taking too much brunt. So what we decided to do is we're going to take rear tires, put them on the front, or 2 of them, and then take the front tires and put them on the rear. But in order to do that, I needed to have 4 of them, so went out and I ended up getting 2 of them, and they were able to get shipped to my door from California in less than a week, which is fantastic. So got some PVC pipe in there just to stretch them out a little bit, just so we have the best shot of getting them on the rims, and we run them on a wide rim too. It's just, I believe in surface area, and I think these are really good tires, and I think they'll dig really well. So that'll bring our mile per hours discrepancy a little bit better back into check, and I think it's going to really improve how the truck pulls. So as you can see, there's quite the size difference between the 35s and the 33s. So that's why there's going to be a mile per hour difference between the old set and the new set. So we're going to let these guys dry overnight because we got soap and water on them. So we can try and stretch them onto these tomorrow. If not, we'll have to send them over to a tire shop to get mounted. But other than that, hell yeah, all set. Alright, over here, got the tailgate all dropped off. Gonna grab the tires out of my dad's truck, right here. They look so much wider when they're on the rims. Like, just to... What's up, everybody? It's the morning of, so we're gonna do our same routine. Just went over to Big Y and grabbed some ice. Get a load of it into the trailer, hook up to the trailer, give everything one more look over inside the trailer, make sure that the chains are all still tight in the front, make sure we got all of our batteries pretty well topped off, and then we'll back up, bring it in front of the shop, check the torque on the tires, check the inflation on the tires, make sure all the lights work, and then we're going to be off to Goshen. because everyone's, I guess, getting stuck here. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to get the truck and trailer in here, or else we're gonna have to take it in from the road, and I'm not about to do that. Decided after seeing how complete the parking lot is, we're just gonna get unloaded in the street, bring the truck down, and if at any point during the day, yeah, like everybody's unloading their truck, driving them in, and then coming through, give it some speed. We need your pulling truck to pull your towing truck. We're out here in the street, putting the tires on. My boy Derek. No one parked in here. Well, only 2 other people parked outside. It was me and Bob Gay. We're the lucky ones. Everyone else here is gonna be fucked later on. Going up onto the scales. Smooth. If he thinks he can make it. When I said it was a street truck, it was a joke. I don't like driving it. So while we're on the way back, I'll talk about it. Unfortunately, we ended up breaking all the mounts for our clamshell for our jack shaft off. So we had to pull up on the side. So this guy right here, that covers our intermediate shaft from our transmission to our drop box. That broke, so that was clunking around. But other than that, I think it was a good run. We'll look at the data. I think we found out we need a faster gear. Tires are going too slow. We also left the tires way inflated too, so there's a ton more for us to grab. That's not the last this truck has, but as far as like off the line, like I'm always impressed with how awesome this thing is. So other than that, starting to go back up the hill, our little camper on the road. We'll see you guys at the shop when we're fixing all our broken parts. See ya.